Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog, and today we are going to be restoring the headlights on the Speed 3. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is like glazy, hazy, it's like yellow. Same with this side. And I did install these LED turn signals, so let me show you guys real quick. Right, they're super bright, so for those to look good I need to like restore these because they're bright, and I'm sure like it'll look way better because when you turn the lights on you kind of see the yellow. I don't want that. So what we're going to use today is the 3M restoration kit. Got it off Amazon. I believe it was like $12 or $15 around there, forgot, but you can find it on Amazon. So yeah, 3M headlight restoration system, and all you need is like a drill or something comes with it and all the instructions on the inside. So let's get to it. So first things first, we are going to tape up the surroundings of the headlight. I don't need to do it on top because it's, well, with the hood open I don't need to. So let's get done with that real quick. Alright, first side is done, and I know I did a horrible job, but it should do the trick. So let's get prepped. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to clean the surface of the headlight with some water. Get that. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe it off. Just get any excess like dirt, dust, whatever when sanding, wet sanding. So should do the trick. Second step would be, yeah, one of these bad boys. We're gonna open up our 3M kit and get this thing prepped, start the first step. So let's do that. I'll show you guys how it looks right now. First step tells you right there in the instructions, the yellow pad disc, whatever it's called. So we're gonna start on it, and it says just sand very lightly till all the yellow is gone. So let's do that. First one is done with the 500 grit. Now it says move on to the 800 grit, so we're going to do that real quick. Let's do that. Next pad we're going to be applying, so let's do it. I'm going to go over it again. I'll show you guys the after results. Alright, we finished with the 800 grit. So now we're going to do wet sanding with the 3000 grit, and I already started spraying it. Should look like. I'm gonna spray the pad as well and just go over it and see what happens. So I'll update you guys right now. I already got the pad on. This is how it looks after wet sanding. All that's really left is polishing, and let's see what happens because I'm pretty interested. The surface is really smooth, so should bring it back to life. Let's get it done. Alright, you can definitely notice it's better. Fortunately, it's getting dark, so I'm just gonna finish it off tomorrow, and we'll just continue it from there because it's kind of hard to see. So I'm gonna pack everything up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. I already got this one prepped, but look at the results of the second one. Oh, that is way better. It's clear. You can tell by the way that light looks in the middle, and over there it just looks like a big circle because of all the like the grime and stuff, oxidation, haze, like the glaze haze. This one looks way better, and I already added some clear coat to it. So the Maguire's clear coat, and there were a little bit of scratches, so I ended up going more with the wet sand and more with the buffer. It could use a bit more buffing, but it looks good right there. The only scratches I see kind of like right here and on the side. Other than that, like, it's clear. The clear coat that I added kind of like made the scratches go away, so I'm not too worried about that. So this is what I use. Amazon as well, headlight coating. So I'm gonna give the second one another go. I'm gonna go a little more lighter with the sandpaper, and then try to get the job done with the wet sanding and the buffing, so hopefully there's less scratches or zero scratches. So yeah, just gonna do that side and see the results after, but that is impressive. It looks really good. It's just so clear. So, and I'm also gonna knock it out on the ST, but I'm gonna make a separate video, so if anyone wants to search it up they can. I'm gonna do that one because the other one's fine, just the driver's side for most guys too. It's not just me, but we're gonna knock it out. Hopefully there's no scratches because I'm scared for this one because I know these are way more expensive. So yeah, let's get it done, and I'll pick you guys up in a bit, guys. And here are the results. Already had the first layer of clear, and like I said, if you do see any scratches, just keep in mind that the clear will help to cover it up as well, and obviously some more buffing. But I buffed it as much as I could, so now the clear took away a few scratches that I saw, which is good. And on that side's done. It's perfect. And this side, just gonna do 2 more clears of clear coat, and we should be solid. It already looks really good. So once I let it dry, I'll take it off and show you guys with the lights on. So I'll pick it up right now. So started doing it on the ST because it was fading. I was gonna make a separate video, but it's the same process for all you Focus guys. Our headlights do that for some reason. So you can see where it's like around there where it started fading. You can kind of see the outline of it. So now I'm gonna wet sand it and polish it and re-clear it. So yep, because that's perfection right there. I'm hoping this side's good, because this side's already nice. Like, this side's solid, nothing, no damage or anything. That's perfect. I'm trying to leave that side the same, so let's see what happens. All right, and there you have it. It looks brand new. The outcome came really good. Like, it came out really good. I don't really see scratches. Just perfect. Same with the ST. I did the one on the right side. It's already cleared it. It looks amazing. Some of the the rock chick damage came off too, which is great. But it looks really good. So I'm hyped about that. So 3M kit, 10 out of 10. I recommend it's on Amazon, and get the McGuire's headlight restoration clear coat, and perfect combination, as you can tell. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I didn't have a cameraman, so you guys didn't see me do the process, but it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. It says in the directions, just follow the directions, everything should come out good. But yeah, the headlight restoration on the ST and Speed 3 is complete. So if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.